So guys, this is the Car Web Guru latest updates. Let's click on the updates. Okay, it's been a while. I have not been looking at this Car Web Guru. Okay, let's change the theme, set theme. So let's check out the free themes. Let's check out Chronograph. Yeah, let's set a theme and replace all the widgets. Looks cool. Yeah, this looks cool. It's just a plain clock, analog clock, and you can also play music. Simple and nice, right? Let's see, if I long press, what can I see? So when I do a long press, I can actually add in a lot of things here. Yeah, so for example, on the left side, I can put in my radio. It looks a little too big for the icon. And over here is my internet radio. So for those who wants to have minimalist type of screens, this is okay. Yeah, but I think it's too big because this looks awkward. Just delete this and delete this. Maybe over here I'll put my radio. Yeah, I think that's okay. Yeah, of course you can also add in more on top if you want to. There's so many places where you can add on, and in the middle as well. Let me just try and put YouTube there. That looks funny. Yeah, so I'm just gonna delete that and keep it this way. So this is the Chronograph.